Hi guys, I'm about to show the camping setup of my Mitsubishi Pajero. So this is the third row seat. I'm gonna fold them down and then I'm gonna use this space to put the accessories. So this one is the jump start cable set and also with the jump starter. You can charge this from the AC current, and output is the 12 volt DC current with the working light. It's very handy to have in emergency situations. The other one is a tire puncture repair kit. It's also really handy to have in emergency situations. And also I have a air compressor as well. This is a single cylinder air compressor. When doing off-roading stuff, this is a must need. Really cool gadget. It's cheap, but it does the job. And extra pairs of shoes and a 4-wheel recovery kit from XTM. So this having all the necessary equipments with the bow shackles and this is the main part. This is the Maxtrax. This is a Maxtrax Lite. It's a cheap one, but really good at recovering. And also the camping gears. This is a 3-person tent. So that's it.